How's it going, guys? It's Kyle, or the How-To Guy 123 here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to display a clock on the taskbar when using multiple monitors in Windows 11. One of the most frustrating issues with Windows 11 is that the clock only shows on the taskbar of the primary display. So if you were in a full screen application like a game, you can't just glance over at your second monitor to check the time. In this video we'll be using a program called 11Clock to fix this. So to begin, head down into the description below and there'll be a link to download 11Clock. Once on this page, find the latest version. While recording this video, it's currently on version 2.5. Then scroll down to where it says Assets and download 11clock_installer.exe. Save the installer anywhere on your computer. I'll just leave it on my desktop for easy access. Once the download has finished, find the installer and double click on it to open. You may get a Windows Defender prompt. Don't worry, from what I can see this program is completely safe. Just click more info, then run anyways. The installer for 11Clock will open, and it pretty much just installs like any other program. Just click next, accept the license agreement, then click next again. Create a desktop shortcut if you would like, then click next, and then install. The install for 11Clock will begin, and it should only take a few seconds to finish. Once the install is finished, check the box to run 11clock.exe when we close out of the installer. After a few seconds, a clock should appear on the taskbar on all of your secondary monitors. 11Clock supports all time formats and will automatically show in the time format already being used on Windows 11. So I'm in Canada and the time format here appears with year, month, and day separated by hyphens. If you hover over the clock, it will show an animation. However, if you do click on the clock, the calendar unfortunately opens on your primary display. Finally, the clock also supports both dark and light mode. You can further configure the clock if you'd like to. To do this, open the system tray, then hover your mouse over the 11Clock icon, right click on it, and then left click on 11Clock settings. Here you can configure the information shown on the clock along with its appearance. The only setting I really touch here is to hide the clock in full screen mode. This is so the clock does not appear when using a full screen application like playing a game or watching a YouTube video. And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. If this video helped, please leave a like. If it didn't, leave a dislike. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.